for the Kanto region. Tokyo and Kanagawa will both be sunny with a chance of clouds later in the day. Saitama and Chiba should remain sunny all day long. Sunbathers know which prefectures to head out. Meanwhile, sporadic showers and gusty winds throughout Gunma and Tochigi might put a damper on your weekend. And
No, it's so bad.
You might want to make other plans.
But I need to live.
Open up as early as Saturday afternoon. As always, we'll be here with the latest weather updates to get you through the weekend.
Hey, champ.
Look,
Hell of a fight. Much respect, Ganta.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching News at 8.
I was so afraid of him, but maybe me and Shinji are gonna be okay now.
Hey! What's clocking, everyone? It's time for the Carnival Corpse post-game treat! It's the two-bet for the loser show!
Wait, that's...
Hi there, Senji. I hope your luck has improved since the fight.
Hold up. What's going on?
Just do it.
The right eye.